You've definitely have the judges running scared.
It is our obligation as officers of the court to make sure that bad judges get disrobed.
We see it at a high level, how politics, you can literally have a Supreme Court in a state change due to politics and change everything for consumer rights. One little thing. How are you stopping these things? Nick Rowley, one human being is standing up to bad judges across the nation.
Started a organization called Justice Watch, which is a national organization focused on preserving and protecting the judiciary, disrobing bad, evil, abusive judges, and making sure that we get good ones appointed. We're involved with judicial elections all throughout the country. This year is going to be an important defining year. We have another, fight in Montana, or the same bad guys running for the Montana Supreme Court, Dan Wilson. There's no way he's going to get elected because I won't allow it. No way.
He has to be defrocked.
I'm telling you, Judge Murphy here in Los Angeles, she's one of the most intelligent judges I've ever been in front of. Her level of intelligence and experience, the way she knows the law. I wish all judges knew the law the way that Judge Murphy does. But if she doesn't stop being abusive to lawyers, then I will disrobe her in 2030. And she needs to know that. Either she changes her ways or she decides to put in all the money that she potentially has to run for re-election. And I guarantee you she can't compete with me. She will be disrobed if she doesn't change her ways.
What year is that?
Judge Alarcon, same thing. He better change because he's abusing people. If not, he's going to disrobe his ass.
Hey, what happened to Judge Cato?
Judge Cato? Well, he was pretty old, but we disrobed him.
And I had dinner with a sitting judge that Nick tried a case in front of recently. And, he doesn't know who my friends are or whatever, but he said, hey, I had that Nick Rowley in my courtroom. Oh, really? Yeah. So I always play along. I said, yeah. He goes, as soon as that case got assigned to me, I got calls from 4 judges telling me, watch out. You got Nick Rowley in your courtroom. He took down Cato. He's trying to take down Murphy. Be careful. Watch your back. So you've definitely have the judges running scared.
Well, I don't want judges to run scared. Listen, when I stand in front of a judge, I am humble. I appreciate and have so much respect for the judiciary. And, this community, Los Angeles and California, 99% of our judges are phenomenal. They're good human beings. They're sacrificing themselves, their lives to work hard for justice, for our people, for us. It's just like downtown LA Law Group. They're just some bad ones that spoil the whole bunch, right? But we can't let them spoil the whole bunch. What I've heard from many judges is that they appreciated the complaint against Cato that got rid of Cato. They appreciated the complaint against Judge Murphy because she's been treating not just lawyers badly, but jurors, courtroom staff, treating other people badly, and they can't do anything about it. So it's our job as officers of the court to not allow a Judge Cato to be on the bench till he's 90 years old. I'm embarrassed that I didn't do something about this sooner, and we should all be embarrassed. Alarcon has to go. He's awful. He's awful. And it is our obligation as officers of the court to make sure that bad judges get disrobed.
I'm Bob Simon. Thanks for watching Bourbon of Proof. Click to subscribe.